Welcome to our channel, Tour the World. In this and a few upcoming videos, we'll be exploring the country of Finland, which is located on the North Pole. Today, we're diving into the beautiful city of Savonlinna, located in eastern Finland near the Russian border. With a population of around 32,000, Savonlinna is a very beautiful city surrounded by lakes and islands, offering a unique blend of history and natural beauty. Our 4K drone will take you on a breathtaking tour over Savonlinna, famous for its medieval Olavinlinna Castle and the annual Savonlinna Opera Festival, which attracts visitors from around the globe. The city is a perfect mix of cultural sites and outdoor activities, making it an ideal spot for both relaxation and adventure. We next visited Savonlinna Cathedral, a Lutheran church built in the late 19th century. It has impressive Gothic architecture and is really beautiful. It looks really tall with a pointy roof on top. Inside, it's very pretty with colorful windows and a big organ. Savonlinna is dotted with small lakes that enhance its charm and natural beauty. Lakes are perfect for swimming, fishing, and picnicking. These are surrounded by lush greenery and walking paths. The market square, or tori, near the coast, is a bustling hub of activity. Located by the waterfront, the tori offers stunning views of the nearby lakes and Olavinlinna Castle. It's a favorite spot for both locals and visitors to enjoy fresh produce, local crafts, and traditional Finnish foods. Next, we visited the famous Olavinlinna Castle. Built in 1475 on a rocky islet in Lake Saimaa, this striking fortress has well-preserved towers and ramparts that reflect its original defensive purpose. The castle was constructed to protect the eastern borders of the Swedish Empire from Russia. During the Russo-Swedish War from 1741 to 1743, it was captured by Field Marshal Peter Lacy and held by Russia until 1812 before being returned to Finland. Hope you liked our video on Savonlinna's city. We highly recommend this destination to all travelers. Stay tuned for our next episode, and until then, goodbye.